Hey, are you getting sick?
Oh, no, it's just allergies.
Are you sure? Because there's something going around right now.
Yes, I'm sure. I always get allergies this time of the year. I'm fine.
Hey boss, I'm gonna have to call out sick today. I am not feeling good.
No, sorry, I can't come with you guys to the beach. I feel like shit. You have fun though. Oh, I'm disgusting. Oh, look at them all going to the beach, having fun, being able to breathe. Must be nice to be healthy.
Why haven't you healed me yet? If you're called a cough drop, then why am I still coughing?
Oh, I guess this is just my life now. Coughing up mucus until I die.
Oh, look. Back when I was healthy.
Those days are